So hello guys, today I will be doing a review on the UniShift pencil. So I have the 0.7 silver version which I bought for a friend, and I also have the 0.5 version which I bought for myself. So the UniShift is a drafting pencil made by Mitsubishi Pencil, and it's a pretty good drafting pencil for its price. So let's talk about the design. So on the tip, there is a pretty rough nerd metal grip. It's closer in knurling to the Alvan Draftmatic or the Rotring 600 than like the smooth grips of the Graph Gear. I like the rough knurling grips a little more because they're easier to hold when your hands are sweaty or something. So yeah. Also, between the grip and the body, there is an indicator of your lead size, 0.7 and 0.5. So, also there is the upper body, which is made out of plastic. I think this is something Uni skimped on quality a little bit, because it's available for $10, the UniShift, and for that price you can also get a Graph Gear, which is full metal, and the Staedtler 95 T5, which is also all metal. So I think this should have been made with metal, but the plastic is pretty good quality. Also, there is a metal clip and the words UniShift. Let's focus. So now let's talk about the main feature of this pencil. The main feature of this pencil is how it hides its lead sleeve. The most common way to hide the lead sleeve is like the Graph Gear 1000, which is a vanishing point, where you like press the clip and the lead sleeve goes in. But the UniShift is different. So to show the lead sleeve, you twist to the right, up, and then you lock it by twisting to the right more. And now the lead sleeve is showing. Now to hide the lead sleeve, you twist it to the left, and there it goes. And if you twist it to the left a little bit more, there's no way you can activate the sliding mechanism. This also brings me to my next point, which is some of the things I don't like about this pencil. One thing I don't like about this pencil is when you press the lead advance, the lead sleeve goes back and forth, which kind of feels cheap, like my Diesel pencils. Let's focus. See, when you press this, it goes back in. I don't know if it's a manufacturing defect or it's just how the mechanism is, but I don't like it. It's also the same with my 0.5 version. Another thing I don't like about the UniShift is it kind of feels cheap a little bit. Here, like when you write, sometimes you can hear like when you twist it, see, when you twist it, there's a little bit of play with the mechanism, and it feels kind of cheap. And when you're writing, sometimes the body rattles a little bit. But otherwise, it writes pretty good. So, shall we do a writing sample? Sorry for the focusing issues. So yeah, it writes pretty well. So now let's talk about the price. So it's available for a little more than $10. I got the Unishift in China, which is a little bit cheaper. It's like $8, but yeah. So for $8, you get a pretty good mechanical pencil that's available in a lot of different lead sizes and colors. So it's available in the silver series in 5 different lead sizes, which are 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9. So this is the 0.7 model. Each of them has a different accent color, which you can see with the lead size indicator and here. Oh, I forgot to mention something. I really hate the eraser of the Unishift. It's one of the smallest drafting pencil erasers I've ever seen. It's even smaller than the Graph Gears. So yeah, it's the smallest eraser in a drafting pencil. I think it's the same kind of eraser that's with the Uniboxy, which I also got in China. It's a pretty good eraser. So, is it worth the $10 price point? Personally, I think there are better choices for $10, like the Graph Gear 1000, or if you spend $2 more, you can get the Steadler, which are both made out of metal instead of the half metal, half plastic. But it's a pretty interesting pencil to get because it's really unique. I think it's the only pencil with this kind of mechanism where you twist to show the lead sleeve. So yeah, this is the review of the Unishift 0.5, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.